Welcome to the Physics Classroom. I chose this resource because it allows me to use digital tools to present information to different styled learners, to promote learning, and to offer a variety of assessments as recommended by the 2008 ISTE Teacher Standards 2A, C, D, and TPAC 1. This video is meant for students and is used as an explanation of the resources on this site. So let's begin. Go to physicsclassroom.com and you can see it pretty engaging, but what we're most interested in to start with is the physics tutorial on the left. So if you go to the left, it'll give you all of the topics that this website has, and let's just start at kinematics and see what it has to offer. Okay. It breaks it down into the different sections and quite a few sections, so you can find your specific topic that you would like. So I'm just going to start with describing motion with words. You'll notice that it's just like a textbook. It has easy to read text though, with highlighted colors and little illustrations. Okay, down at the bottom you would have the next section, and that would go in order, or you can even jump to the next lesson. So let's try that. Okay. And in this one, you will see that we have vocabulary that you can look at, and it would take you back to a different section to describe those words. Okay. You have little cartoons. Okay. And then let's go ahead and jump to the next lesson and see what this page has to offer. Okay. You can go through here and you can tell that it has a lot of diagrams that can help you understand the topics. Okay. And then you can continue to go down, and it tries to tell you when the concept is really big. Okay. And continue to move. Okay. You'll get down and you'll see that sometimes they have an investigate. And so it's a little widget that's in there that will allow you to plug in numbers and to play around just to deepen your understanding. So that's pretty cool. And then they next would have what are called interactives, and you can reach these as you are in the topic, or you can go back earlier to our original menu and they would have been the middle selection at the top. But let's just go ahead and see what this interactive looks like. Okay. And we just go to graph that motion. Let's see. And these are little activities that really can help you strengthen your understanding of a topic. And so you go to Launch Interactive. And it will give you a starting place, and it will let you resize. And so we can go ahead and begin the activity. And we can make it full screen. And in this case, it will give you 11 animations, and you try to match. Okay. And it's going to give, in this case, a little car going around, and you get to choose something, and it will give you automatic feedback, which will be helpful to let you know where you're at, and so you can check it. And you're allowed to try it again and again, okay, until you get it right, okay? And then when you're done, you can go to your menu. And if we had gotten that correct, it would put a gold star, okay? And even if you get done with these all correct, if you feel like you need to try it again to practice, then it does let you reset that. And so we're going to get out of there. So that's what an interactive looks like. And so let's go back to the tutorial real quick. Okay. And then in addition to your interactives that are meant to help you visualize, will also be these intermediate assessments in there that will ask you questions, and you can see the answers right there. So again, you kind of have immediate feedback, and those come in different ways. So if you'll go back to the left, we can go ahead and revisit all the tutorials that there are, and this encompasses a pretty good first year physics class. And so it we would be using it in class to supplement, or this is always a resource that you can use to help deepen your understanding as we go through the classes, okay? If you want to look specifically for the interactives, you can reach on the side here, or like I said at the very beginning, we could have gone to the button. It would have been okay. But let's look at the different interactives there are. And again, it is divided by topics. And so if we're looking at Newton's laws, we can go in there and see what there are that can help us out. And some of these are matching. Some will just let you play around and change a variable and see what happens. So again, just a great place to help you deepen your understandings of the concepts. One final thing is I wanted to mention is there is a paid part that goes along with this that can truly help after you've gone through the tutorials and the interactives, and it's called Mind on Physics, the app. And these used to be a series of shockwave videos on here, and now they've gone and changed them and put them as an iPad app, and they have released some other versions that are not as successful right now, but these definitely do provide an additional opportunity to practice. And again, those do cost, but they can be very useful. So I hope this is a resource that you find useful.